Smart contracts are changing the way we do business, cutting out the middleman and putting the power in the code. But what exactly are they? How do they work? And why is everyone in crypto talking about them? A smart contract is a self-executing digital agreement written in code and stored on the blockchain. No middleman, no paperwork, just pure automation. Think of it like a vending machine. You drop in a coin, make a selection, and boom, you get your snack. Smart contracts work the same way. When specific conditions are met, the contract automatically does what it's programmed to do. Smart contracts are written in programming languages like Solidity or Rust and deployed on blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano. Once on the blockchain, the contract becomes tamper-proof. When the right trigger happens, like receiving a payment or hitting a deadline, the contract executes automatically. And if it needs real-world info, like weather data or stock prices, that's where oracles come in. They feed outside data into the contract securely. Smart contracts are used everywhere in crypto and beyond. DeFi platforms let you lend, borrow, and earn interest, without banks. NFTs use them to assign ownership and even pay royalties to artists automatically. Supply chains track products from factory to delivery in real time. Even insurance and legal agreements can be automated with smart contracts. Smart contracts offer major benefits. No middlemen. Faster transactions, lower costs. Transparent and trustless execution. No room for manipulation. However, they're not magic. Bugs in the code can lead to major losses like the $60 million DAO hack in 2016. They're also hard to change once deployed, and many legal systems still don't recognize them officially. Despite the challenges, smart contracts are the future. They're already reshaping finance, real estate, gaming, and even healthcare. And as the technology gets better and more regulated, smart contracts could become as common as websites. So next time you hear about a project using smart contracts, you'll know exactly what that means. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and drop a comment if you have questions.